guys, it's Ryan with Fluid Health, bringing you another episode of Science-Powered Fitness. Today we're going to talk about the cortical and subcortical structures of your brain and how it impacts your motor function of your body. What's important to note is that you have a volitional system of movement and a non-volitional system of movement. So when you have a thought and you want to translate that thought to act on the body, you use your premotor frontal cortex and your supplemental motor cortex and your somatosensory cortex. And we use this information to receive information from the sensory receptors of our body. You organize it, you determine how you want to use that information, and then you draw it down the spinal thalamic tract, but it has to filter underneath these little substructures underneath the cortical, rational, volitional muscle engagement systems. And so basically it has to check in with your emotions, it has to check in with your prior injuries, it's going to look at the balance systems, and it's going to make a decision on whether or not that idea to lift that dumbbell is appropriate for your body. So remember, there are different ways that we organize movement, and sometimes the subcortical structures, the things that impact our ability to reflexively maintain balance, the way that we breathe, the regulation of our internal health systems, and then ultimately the way that we respond to stress in the environment is going to also factor in the way that we move. So this is important because sometimes those subcortical relationships, they change the way we engage muscle groupings, and then that can lead to instability or asymmetry, and that can lead to injury cycles. So once again, just a broader picture of understanding the neurochemistry associated with movement and recognizing that there might be other factors you want to concern yourself with. If you wonder why when you're stressed or overwhelmed, you have a tendency to overuse something or strain something, you can start to see why. So any information or questions on this, rather, reach out to us at admin@fluidhealthandfitness.com. And once again, your body's designed to move, so stay in motion, and we'll see you soon.